All right, guys, so today is our last day. We've been here for 10 days. We're getting ready to check out. We're heading to the Hilton Medina, which is 4.5-hour drive. So before we check out, I want to do a overall review of the hotel. Honestly, for the price we paid for, we paid about, I think, $255 or $275 a night for a 4-bed room. It's really good. Standard room at the hotel now is $400 US. So you can see how much it really has jumped up from a pricing perspective. So we got a heck of a deal on the pricing, so I can't complain at all. It's a phenomenal deal. The positive things about the hotel is the location. The location is amazing. It's literally just 2, maybe 3-minute walk from your hotel to the HARAM. You can't beat it. The most amazing thing also has been the view. The view from our room. Our room ends in 02. So whatever floor you get, if you want to get the 02, 02, 01. So those are the 2 rooms that are HARAM facing and have some nice views. It's amazing. You can pray with the masjid every time, because they have a speaker in the room and it gives you the call to prayer as they follow. So it's an amazing place to be. So breakfast, not bad. Like I say, it's free for us. If you don't have a gold status or diamond status, the cost for breakfast is $13. So that's the cost for breakfast if you wanted to eat here at the hotel. Malls, shopping areas, all that is, once again, is just a few minute walk. You can get to it in just a few minutes. It's a very short walk. The Wi-Fi has been very favorable. The customer service of the crew at the restaurant, the hotel, at the executive lounge has been very positive. I would say the thing that we're probably the most shocked by in a good way has been the executive lounge. They literally have like a mini buffet from 8 to 10. They always have rice, at least 2 types of meat and some kind of veggie, and plus a bunch of appetizers. So literally, I think the 10 days we've been here, we've only eaten out 1 time outside. All the other 9 days, we've literally ate dinner at the executive lounge. And also from 3 to 5, they have a light snack where they have about croissants, danishes, a bunch of sandwiches and drinks and stuff, chips, cookies, whatever. They have from 3 to 5 o'clock. So that's where pretty much when we get up, at least the kids get up, and then we pretty much make that our breakfast. And then we eat dinner at the lounge. So with diamond status, you can literally eat at the hotel for free the whole time and not have to go out and pay for anything. So that's the advantages. So just keep that in mind when it comes to this hotel. But overall, very positive stay, very happy, can't complain at all. Amazing hotel, amazing customer service, and amazing amenities. With that said, thanks so much for